What's up? What's up? What's up? It's been a minute since I posted, so I just changed out my coil wire, spark plug wire on my Indian Challenger for the front one. Periodically I was getting a misfire. Couldn't figure out what it was coming from. So I saw a couple little communication on the forum, on the Indian Challenger forum, and they said that other people were getting misfires, and it was coming from the spark plug wire. So I went down, pulled the spark plug wire, and lo and behold, see if I can get you guys to see that. See that flat spot right there? There you go. So it was actually wearing or sitting against the radiator clamp for the radiator hose. And I guess, from vibration going back and forth, it eventually wore and probably creating a misfire. So I hope that's the issue, but if not, we'll go for the next thing. So I'm gonna just cut this video right here, and I'm gonna post a clip of me changing that out. So what we're gonna do is change out the spark plug wire. Here's a new one, and the old one has the little flat spot on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here and a little bit right there. So we're gonna pop this out. Here's the old plug. So y'all that don't know, there's a little hole at the bottom of that top cylinder. You just hit some air pressure on that and it'll pop the plug right out. Okay, and we'll put the new plug in. And I got some dielectric grease. Let me just put a little bit in here. So it can slide on, and I'm actually just put a little film on the outside because you're gonna have to get that down past that second ridge, that second rib right there. All right, and you got your hose right here. So see this way. There we go. What I'm gonna stick it here so it'll go straight down. And then we're gonna go back to pulling this bike to the edge of the garage. I'm not gonna take it off the Let's Roll stand. Now, that's another story. So I got the Let's Roll stand, and I got the belly pan made by Chris Nash. So Chris Nash, about a month ago, I rode up to his location, and he actually installed it for me. Good dude. He made this custom belly pan for the Indian Challenger, so you can properly use the Let's Roll lift without it teetering on you, without you having to try to get an exact balance. But in case you didn't see the previous videos, this is what it looks like. So that's the front of it. Let's see if I... So here's where it starts at, across the front. And then this is kind of a shot of underneath it. It's nice machine billet. All right, so what we're gonna do is crank the bike up. I'm gonna roll the bike to the edge of the garage on the Let's Roll stand, crank it up so it can exhaust outside. So it's on the Let's Roll stand. I got the Chris Nash belly pan underneath. And we're gonna pull this out to the edge of the garage. So I'm gonna just grab the bike is on the stand. I got it idle. So as you can see, it's steady. You can move the bike around. You can do your maintenance while it's on the stand. With the belly pan, it's secure. So if you're using that Chris Nash belly pan with the Let's Roll lift, the bike is stable. Without it, the bike is not stable. So I know you guys have not seen. Let me cut this off. Now I know you guys have not seen the video of anybody using a Let's Roll stand without a belly pan and it's stable. So if there's some videos out there, you guys post them, shoot me the link so I can see them. But everybody else that I've known that tried to use the Let's Roll stand without this belly pan, their bike is unlevel and it rocks back and forth. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You got any questions, hit me up.